Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. First of all, I would like to wish you very happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you all. Students, today we are going to study EVS 1, 5th standard and the 5th chapter, that is family values. Okay student, are you ready? So without wasting time, let's get started with the chapter. Before moving forward, I would like to ask few questions. For example, see, listen and try to answer the question. Student, if you and your family want to go on a trip, how do you decide that? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, very good. So, you all the family members sit together and discuss on the topic of trip. Where to go, how to go, when to go, what kind of preparation should be done. Okay, all the things you discuss on all the aspects. Okay, very good. Now, again, one more important thing I would like to ask you. During this discussion, do you suggest something or not? Yes, or do you get opportunity to discuss something or to suggest something or not? Yes, very good. Yes, we all get opportunity to discuss as well as we all get opportunity to suggest something about that topic. Okay, very good. Now again, one more important thing I would like to ask. For example, if you have holiday, then if you want to invite somebody, then do you invite randomly or do you have discussion on that in your family? How do you decide? Yes, to whom you need to invite. If you want to invite your maternal uncle, if you want to invite your cousin, sister or brother, yes, so you have discussion on that and you can suggest there also that to whom we can invite for the holiday. Yes. Now again, one more important thing I would like to ask you. See student, if you are going to celebrate a festival, then how do you celebrate that one? Do you help in the preparations of festival? For example, we have Eid, we have Ganesh Chaturthi, we have Diwali, we have Christmas. So on these occasions of festival, do you help in preparation at your home? Yes. Do you help your parents, brothers, sisters? Yes. Very good. So we always help in preparation of festivals. Yes, very good. Now student, we will move forward point wise. Okay, we will try to understand point wise here the values of families. Okay, yes, what kind of values are inculcated in family in ourselves? Yes, yes student, from all the above examples we have studied or we learned that making decision is very important and the role in making the decision is also very important. So we all play a important role while making a decision. So this is one of the important values in our home or family that we learn. Now, taking participation or playing an important role in making important decisions. We live together in a family. When we live in a family, we all have our own likes and dislikes. Okay, there may be difference in opinions. So there may be difference in likes and dislikes too. We ourselves are different from others. Okay, so we need to match our thinking with others. Okay, so we can do that by sitting, by talking, by discussing the things. We can match our things with others. As well as it is very important that one more important thing is that we have love and affection for each others. We take care of each other and concerned about the well-being of others peoples too. See student, we always talk with each other before making any kind of decision at our home. Okay, if it may be a personal decision or it may be a general decision at your home, we discuss, we talk with other family members, we make a decision that everyone agrees with. Yes student, so here what do we find? Here we actually are playing a role in making a decision. So we are the part of making decision at our family. Okay, student, have you understood this much? It's very good. Now, student, see here, what does happen when everyone has a role in decision making? Yes, can you tell me? Yeah, we all get an opportunity to talk or to put our opinion in our decision making discussion. Okay, student, so this is one important thing, that we can put our own opinions or thoughts or ideas in the discussion or decision making process. Okay, now the second one is that if all are playing an important role in discussion, then the topic can be discussed properly, thoroughly. Okay, the discussion can be done on the all aspects of the topic. Yes, and then afterward the decision can be done. Okay, so this is one important thing, that we can discuss on all the aspects of that topic. Okay, student, have you understood? Now, third and most important thing, again here we feel like a important person or a part of that family, that our opinion has get valued. Okay, so this is again important thing, that we feel ourselves an important part of the family, that our opinion also considered while making the decision. Okay, students, just now I have told you about that your role in your family while making a decision. In the same way, we have a role in public decision making also. Okay, most of the time in newspaper we read about the participation of the public in making the decisions, in making the general decisions about the public. Okay, so in newspapers we read, for example, let's have a look on this news, so we can understand better how the people are involved in making public decisions too. Okay, students, so let's see. Students, see here, there are three news which are related to the participation of people in public interest. For example, first one, citizens participate in municipal budget planning. Citizens to decide the matters on which to spend money. So here in the first news we see, or we can see, that people are taking decision on the spending of money. Okay. The second news says citizens crowd to suggest improvements to city development plan. Most of the time citizens or people take participation in the development of the city, or they can suggest the thing to develop the city. And the third news goes like that. Inauguration of road joining 6 villages. Joint efforts by 6 villages bears fruit. See here, in the third news we can see, or we can learn, that the people of the 6 villages come together and they have taken the decision to make a road which will join 6 villages. So here also the participation of people we can learn. Okay, so in this way the participation of people is very important while making the public decision also. Yes, student, have you understood now how do public take participation in making decision? Okay, now see student, most of the time we think about our environment and we want to make our environment better. For example, we think that plantation should be done, more and more plantation should be done, so that there can be more and more trees and we can have a proper environmental balance. We think about such kind of things which are related to our environment. So here also we are making some of the public decisions to make our environment better. Okay, student, have you understood this? In the same way, the government that we have elected, that government makes decision in our public interest. Okay, at that time, or if we feel that government has made a wrong decision, then you can put your opinion and you can correct it by putting your opinion. Okay, in this way you are playing a role outside your family, it means in your society, to make your society better. Okay, so there also in public interest also you can make your decision too. It means you have the role to play in public interest also. Okay, student, have you understood this much? Very good. Student, now we have studied that our role in decision making. Now we are going to study the effects of honest and dishonest behavior. Okay, student? So before moving forward, I would like to give some of the examples. Learn the examples and tell me which of the children have honest behavior. Okay, students? Let's have a look on the examples. Let's study the first example. Afrin borrowed a pencil from Minu. After she finished using it, she returned it. Okay, student? In this example, we can see Afrin has returned the pencil after her work. It means that it shows Afrin's honest behavior. Okay, student? Because she has returned the pen after the use. Now, next example. Shama fell from her bicycle. However, she told her mother, Neha pushed me off the bicycle. See, in this example, actually, Shama has fell down from her bicycle herself, but she has told her mother that Neha pushed her off the bicycle. It shows that Shama's dishonesty. Okay, next example. Mary took the bag she found in a rickshaw to a police station. This behavior of Mary shows her honesty because honestly she has returned the bag to the police. Okay? Students, in our day to day life, we do a lot of things. Yes? So, we do a lot of things in our day to day life. Sometimes we do the things correctly and sometimes we make mistakes. Okay, student? If you have made a mistake and if you have realized that, then it is very important to realize as well as you need to tell the mistake to your family members or your friends. If you tell your mistake to your friend or family member, then with the help of discussion, you can have a solution for that. But if you are not telling to others, then it is very bad thing. It is called as dishonest. Being honest is very important. Being honest means what? If you have done any mistake, then you realize that and you need to tell somebody else to find out the solution. So being honest is very important. So you need to tell your mistake to your friend or family members. So you can find out the solution for that. Okay. So you should talk openly to your friend or family members. Okay. By doing this, you learn to be honest. Yes, student. It is very important or necessary to be honest and sincere in our work. Okay. We should keep our trust in relationship and never cheat them. Okay. If we are honest, then there is no need to afraid of anything. But if we are dishonest, then there may be possibility that we can lose our confidence. So be honest and do not cheat anybody. Okay, students? Students, we must be honest at home as well as public places. Okay, everyone respects the honest person. As we know, honesty is our strength. As well as we know that honesty is the best policy. Do you know, students? In 2011, during a cricket match between India and the West Indies, a bowler caught Sachin Tendulkar right at the beginning of the match. The bowler appealed to the umpire. Thinking that the ball had not touched the bat, the umpire declared Sachin Tendulkar not out. However, knowing that the ball had touched his bat, Tendulkar returned to the pavilion though he was declared not out. So, student, it is an example of an honesty of Sachin Tendulkar. You can have a look here. Without waiting for the decision of umpire, Sachin Tendulkar returned to the pavilion. Yes, student, watch it, you can understand. So being honesty is very important in our personal as well as public life. Students, again one more important thing is here that we should maintain the honesty in public life too. If we are honest in public life, we will get better services and facilities. For example, what does happen if we travel by train or bus without taking ticket? What will happen, student? It will directly affect on the transactions of train or economical transaction of train and bus. If we are traveling without ticket, then our public transport will run in loss and would soon have shut down it. If each person buys the ticket honestly, then such kind of problem will not be arise. Okay, student, have you understood? So we need to take tickets while traveling by public transport. Honesty can increase the efficiency in public life. Honesty is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life too. Okay, student, have you understood? So here we have studied our role in decision making and being honest. Okay, student, being honest at your home as well as outside home in public places too. Okay, student, have you understood this much? Okay, if you have liked this video, like it, share it to your friends, comment below the video, subscribe it, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get current notification of the new educational videos. Thank you. Be connected.